I have really very great content. I have really very great content, great skills, or great confidence. But still, I also so much lose my confidence many times. My eyes is automatically blinking like that. I don't have any kind of problem blinking in my eyes, but still, when I just come on the stage at that time, I just face this problem. This is automatically create in me, or I can say sometimes it is happen with me when I just talk with anybody. Okay, so my eyes is go in the blinking zone like that. So thing is that when I want to do a lot of things. I want to share my speech, I want to deliver my speech, I also want to proceed my content, but because of my blinking of eyes, I always lose my confidence, and this thing is actually make me loser. So how to solve it? Okay, this is really very great questions. Okay, so I just share with you only one thing. If you also having this problem, same blinking of eyes, especially deliver your message, what will you do? Only and only just try to consult with the doctor. Okay, means if you don't have any kind of like you just feeling, if you are feeling a little bit disease relate eyes, okay, or relate kind of hesitations to delivering your message into the public place. Okay, so you have to consult with the doctor. Okay, and but before that, before consult with the doctor, I will suggest you only one thing, and this is the biggest mantra. You cannot only and only stop your this habit even if someone has eyes problem or weak of eyes power, or that person cannot see exactly. Okay, that person has any problem to see. Okay, because of power of eye so much weak. So in these situations, you can sort out all problem, relate your blinking of eyes, relate your lack of power into the eyes. Okay, so what happened? So just try to think that I just share with you one thing, that just try to do only one exercise. Only one exercise you have to do on daily basis. You have to do daily only 1 minute. So just try to take a pen, or you just try to take pen and just try to see in front side of eyes and that pens like should not move like in any situation. Okay, you have to fix that pen, and you have to concentrations on the pen. This is the exercise. This is the actually biggest exercise. Actually, this exercise I also heard by Baba Ramdev ji. That's why he also suggested to everyone that you just burn a diya and just try to see that fire which is come out from the diya, and just try to focus on that fire. And of course, after that, after some time, you also can sort out this problem. But I am suggesting to you, just try to start from the pan. This is the, you can say this exercise name of the focus exercise. Focus. Okay, or this is the kind of meditation as well. Okay, so just try to start. Now this time is 1:25. Now it's 30. Now I'm just starting. my eyes is blinking because I also do not this exercise, but I am sharing with exercise. Like in a beginning of time when you just feel focused on a particular one thing at that time, it is really very hard to stuck on the one things with by your eyes. So it is not easy, but yeah, of course everything is easy when you will make easy by yourself. You also can do or everything, you also can make easy for yourself if you want to be increase your eyes power, if you want to if you want to reduce sorry, I have cough, sorry. You have to, if you want to reduce this problem which you are facing in the public place or with anyone, so definitely you have to focus only one particular things or pen, and you just try to focus that pen on daily basis in the morning. And in the beginning of time you cannot stuck continuously 30 seconds. Seriously, within 30 seconds you also can feel that now I'm feeling, a little bit water in my eyes. Okay, same here, it happened with you also. Okay, it happened with everyone in a beginning of time. Okay, but when you will do daily after 15 days, just try to mention your time on the first day, like how many times you did, like 30 seconds, 20 seconds or 1 minute. Okay, and like slowly your time will increase automatically, and after 15 days you will increase, seriously you will be able increase your time, like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. You also can increase your timing gradually, but on the first day don't do that too much, but just try to be start from little bit, few seconds like 20 seconds, 30 seconds, and after that gradually 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and by that this exercise you can grow your power of eyesight. You can stop your blinking of eyes, and you also can be rock in the public era. If you want to do that, please, it's my humble request to you, just try to focus this exercise. This is exercise to give you power of eyes to, and you also can grow your focus power as well. Third thing is meditations. Okay, so now what will you learn? You will have to learn नाउ आई जस्ट स्पीक इन हिंदी. ओके, ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था कि मैं जब भी स्पीच देता हूँ मेरी आंखें बहुत झपकती है. ठीक है, मैं ऐसा महसूस नहीं करता हूँ जब मैं किसी से नॉर्मली बात करता हूँ, बट इट्स हैपन विद मी जब मैं किसी से भी बात करता हूँ, और स्पेशली जब वो मेरा कोई प्रोफेशनली वर्क होता है तो मेरी आंखें झपकने लगती है. मेरे अंदर कोई मतलब मीन्स आई डोंट हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ रॉन्ग इंटेंशंस, बट इट साउंड्स, it create the sounds as a negative way. like कोई भी कुछ भी समझ सकता है. अगर आप आँखों को झपकाओगे या झपकेगी तो sometimes it is a kind of biggest misunderstanding just because of the blinking of eyes. So if you can release these situations, just release it. How is that? This is possible by this exercise. Okay, and after that, if you will feel that after 15 or 20 days you are feeling same things, no any kind of improvement, so just try to consult with a doctor. Don't wait for anyone, just try to consult with eyes doctor, and definitely eye doctor will give you some precautions, medicine, exercise too. Okay, so for that things we will have to go. Bye, have a great good day, and please, yeah, after a long time I'm just saying to you all that if message is really very beautiful, just thumbs up, and if message is not working or not good according to you, just dislike. And if you like this message, So don't wait to share this message with your social media. And for that things, what will you do? For new notifications, you will have to hit the bell icon. Bye.